Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 8th of October, 2024. The Indian equity indices snapped 6-day losing streak and ended higher with Nifty above 25,000 on October 8, led by buying across the sectors barring metals and ahead of RBI policy outcome tomorrow. The benchmarks fell in the last 6 sessions as the escalating Middle East conflict sapped risk appetite and foreign institutional investors sold shares worth $6 billion. At close, the Sensex was up 584.81 points or 0.72% at 81,634.81, and the Nifty was up 217.40 points or 0.88% at 25,013.20. Trent, Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, Bharat Electronics, M&M were among the top gainers on the Nifty, while losers were Tata Steel, SBI Life Insurance, Titan Company, JSW Steel and Bajaj Finserv. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of HEG surged over 6% on October 8 after the company acquired an 8.23% stake in industry rival GrafTech International for 248.62 rupees crore. GrafTech, with a market capitalization of approximately $416.61 million, is listed on the New York Stock Exchange and specializes in the production of graphite electrodes, a segment closely aligned with HEG's core business. The surge in the stock were also accompanied by heavy trading volumes. As much as 4 lakh shares changed hands on the exchanges so far, higher than the 1-week daily traded average of 2 lakh shares. GrafTech International boasts a competitive portfolio of low-cost, ultra-high-power graphite electrode manufacturing facilities, including some of the highest-capacity plants worldwide, with a global presence. In May, HEG approved the demerger of its graphite business into a new entity and the merger of Billwara Energy with itself, aiming to unlock value for shareholders. The graphite segment accounted for 94.41% of the company's total turnover in financial year 2024, with its listing expected in 2025. SPICEJET's share price jumped more than 9% on Tuesday after the airline announced plans to induct 10 new aircraft into its fleet by the end of November, in continued turnaround efforts following a significant Rs 3,000 crore fundraise. The fleet expansion, which includes 7 leased aircraft and the reintroduction of 3 grounded planes, marks a significant step in SPICEJET's ongoing turnaround efforts. The airline confirmed that 2 of the leased planes have already arrived in India and will be inducted on the 10th of October, with the full complement of planes expected by mid-November. This addition is crucial as we continue to meet the growing demand for air travel while strengthening our operational capabilities, said Ajay Singh, Chairman and Managing Director of SPICEJET. With the capital raised, SPICEJET is well positioned to offer improved services and an expanded route network. Shares of Skipper Limited zoomed over 15% on October 8 after Nuvama Institutional Equities initiated coverage on the stock with a buy call with a target price of 650 rupees per share, implying a 46% upside from the last closing price. Analysts at Nuvama highlighted that Skipper is well positioned for strong performance across the transmission and distribution ecosystem, driven by the proposed national electricity policy with an indicative transmission capital expenditure of 9.2 rupees lakh crore from financial year 2022 to financial year 2032. A global shift toward renewable energy is fueling capital expenditure in high-voltage T&D, which augurs well for Skipper. Consequently, Skipper is poised to reap significant benefits from favorable domestic and export order intake trends, the brokerage said. Additionally, Skipper expects its operating profit margin to rise from 9.7% in financial year 2024 to 10.5% by financial year 2027, with guidance indicating a target of 11% over the next 3 years. ZODIAC Energy share price gained 5% in the opening trade on October 8 after the company bagged an order from Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation. The company has been awarded with an order from Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation for design, supply, installation, testing, and commissioning of grid-tied 30 MW ground-mounted solar projects in the state of Gujarat, including erection, operation and maintenance for 5 years and lease sublease at the aggregate value of 154.27 rupees crore. The order is expected to be completed within 18 months from the date of receipt of order. The share touched a 52-week high of 819.40 rupees and a 52-week low of 124.25 rupees on the 13th of August, 2024 and the 9th of October, 2023, respectively. Currently, the stock is trading 32.63% below its 52-week high and 344.27% above its 52-week low. Sin the Trade Links Limited in daily time frame is trading around 24.24 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 2.662 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 22.77, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 55.16. Keynote Financial Services Limited in daily time frame is trading around 307.25 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 47.9 for 9,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 275.74, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 64.15. Adroit Infotech Limited in daily time frame is trading around 21.13 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 211.93 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 19.04, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 66.65. For the stock recommendation we have, General Insurance Corporation of India looks good and can be bought at 369, keeping a stop loss of 354 rupees and a target of 385.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.